start with valuables, as I said before, former Waller and Company. Valuables, a DC-based personal branding consultancy, started operating in 2014. From Fortune 500 executives to government officials, it has served a diverse range of professionals and entrepreneurs to leverage their expertise to secure top industry positions and increase business revenue. Understanding of the market. In 2019, Valuables sponsored 4 students from the London Schools of Economics MSc Marketing program to conduct market research on potential and existing personal branding customers. Using a survey with a sample size consisting of 142 respondents, they gathered valuable information from career professionals and entrepreneurs. The key insight: 95% of respondents say their top reason for using personal branding services is to generate a profit. Founder's background. Dr. Talaya Waller is an internationally known, award-winning personal branding consultant. She combines professional experience with years of marketing research to build authority and leadership for personal organizational brands. Her mission is to help leaders share their stories and leverage their expertise to make a positive impact on society. Dr. Talaya obtained a doctorate of business administration in 2015, and she's currently conducting research on personal branding. In 2011, she completed an executive education program at Harvard. She has online presence of over 28,000 followers, and her pieces of content have been published in Forbes, Fast Company, and the Chronicle of Higher Education. Services offered. Like Latin Empresarios, Valuables focuses only on personal branding, offering 3 services that involve this process. They brand them as personal brand audit, one-on-one consulting sessions, personal brand workshops. These are the equivalent of our discovery, strategy, and marketing services. Team's personal brands. Dr. Waller's strategy is focused on growing her own personal brand as much as possible. This is likely the reason why she does not mention her team anywhere on her webpage. However, it is also likely that all of the work is done by her, only getting helping hands in very specific cases with very specific tasks. In either case, the message is clear: she's the mastermind behind Waller and Company. Besides that, she gave a TED Talk about the future of personal branding, which has reached over 150,000 views. She has also published in newspapers and magazines and given lectures in many universities across the US.